Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download Solflare wallet on your PC. To download Solflare wallet on your PC, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in solflare.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for Solflare. From the home page, go ahead and click on the download for this Windows option, and this will take you to your Solflare wallet extension tab. Here you can simply click the Get button right next to Solflare wallet and click on Add extension in the pop-up appearing at the top of your screen. Wait for a few minutes and then your extension should download. Wait until the download is completed. Once the wallet extension has been downloaded and added, you will then be able to open it up. If you don't have a Solflare wallet, you can click on I need a new wallet and follow through the sign up process. If you already have a wallet, click on I already have a wallet and enter your recovery phrases to import your existing wallet. Now, once you are done adding the Solflare wallet to your web browser, go ahead and tap on the extension tab at the top right and pin your Solflare wallet on your toolbar. Simply click on the eye icon right next to Solflare wallet and the wallet extension will then be added onto your toolbar at the top right. Now you can easily access Solflare wallet by clicking on its app icon at the top right, and that's how you easily get Solflare wallet extension for your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.